On today's video, we are making the humble potatoes. The simple recipe is so delicious. First, we are going to go ahead and cook our onions with its own juice. Once the juice dries out, we are going to go ahead and add the oil. Minced garlic. For spices, I'm using turmeric, coriander, and cumin. 2 medium chopped tomatoes. Add the potatoes and reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook without any water. The potatoes almost cooked. We're going to go ahead and add water. Cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then taste the salt. Finish it off with jalapeno, which is optional. You can take the seed out if you don't like the heat. And it's done. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.